Chevy 2500HD 6.0 liter. What we got done on it, got these massive converters there and there. Then it usually comes into a dual-in single-out muffler. We cut it off, ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Mandrel bent, as you guys can see there and there. There it is, beautiful. And two massive 6-inch tips there and there, as you guys can see. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that, 6-inch massive tips. That's the muffler that was on it, factory. Comes dual in, dual out into a single. So you have to cut it off to run it like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That was kind of weird, but okay. Enjoy, man. Again? Wow. Sound decibels? Oh, it hit 125. Wow. Who cares? Go ahead. That sounds so good. Wow. See how big of a difference that 6-inch tips change. Let you guys hear on the inside. Always that loner at the end makes it slow for everybody.